Hi guys, last video for this this unit, and then we'll be done and go on to the next one. But before we do, we have to solve these. I just want to say the directions for this just said to solve each equation. It does not say to round to the nearest 10,000ths like it did on the first ones. Therefore, I cannot leave my answer in decimal form. It needs to be in fraction form. So we're going to go ahead and solve this. We can do that without relying on logarithms. By the way, on these ones we can. Because I can rewrite all of these so they have the same base as an exponent. 25 and 125 are all factors. I don't want to say factors of 5, but 5 is a factor of it. I can rewrite 25 as 5 squared to the x power equals 5 to the third power. Okay, because 5 squared is 25 and 5 to the third power is 125. Now, if I have, the rule says for exponents, if the bases are the same, these are equal to each other. So that means that I can say that 2x equals 3, and I divide by 2. So x equals 3 halves. Okay? 1.5. Answer cannot be 1.5. I just want to say that. No decimals, no rounding, fraction form. Okay. Wanted to make sure I got that out there. Okay. So the next one. Look, the next one's already done for me. Fairly easy, right? I have the same base here and my same base here. So all I have to do is set my exponents equal to each other. So I have x minus 1 equals 5. So add 1. X equals 6. Done. Okay. And on my last one, again, I have the same base equaling the same base. So all I have to do is say negative 2x plus 3 equals 3 minus 2x. So now I'm going to solve. So I'm going to add 2x, and I'm going to subtract 3. So I get 0 equaling 0. Oh, what is my answer? Well, my answer for this one, because I got 0 equal to 0, I have the same thing equaling the same thing, is all real solutions. Okay, if I got something that said like 0 equaled 5, it would be no solution. Okay, I just want to point that out. If that would have been my answer, some number not equaling some number with no variable left, then it's no solution. Just like we've done in other it's the same as the solution we get when we solve other types of equations when there's no variable left. So this concludes solving logarithmic and exponential equations. Go ahead and finish up the Nearpod and do the homework, and hopefully you'll do okay on the checkpoint at the end of the week. If you need help, please contact me through the discussion or send me a message through Canvas. I will talk to you soon. Bye.